Pick up your trot. Sitting trot. Canter. Find a place to reverse. Remember, not a lot of body. Oops, sorry, people. Wait, where are you? There. Just left leg. Good. There's Rachel. Hi, Rachel.
Already sweaty.
I'm sweaty too. And reverse one more time. There's a reason I don't teach and record at the same time. So I keep losing Robert in the frame. Just right leg. Just right leg. Yes. Keep cantering and canter the cross rail in front of me. Look left. Yeah. Let's come do it again. Hey. Back there.
Thanks.
No problem. I didn't do anything. I get a thank you for saying, hey, your horse looks a little off today. Take the day off. Good. You don't even need to go that fast. That speed is great. Good. Look to your left. A little right rein, right leg. Right rein. Yes. After the line, turn right. Now right rein. Whoa. Turn right. Don't chicken out this time. You can do it. That speed is great. Yes. Right turn, slow, pat him.